So let's go ahead and transform him in his robot mode. If I remember correctly, ito. Nakalimutan ko, ito pala yung feet niya. And then, magkaibang kulay. Magkaibang kulay. Oxidation process. So, ayan. Na-attach na natin itong hips niya and legs. So, pinag-fuse together and then kailangan lang itong i-adjust ng maayos. And then, ikakabit na natin itong kamay. So, ayan. I-push lang natin to. Peg lang natin dito, papunta rito. And then, ayusin lang natin itong fins niya. While transforming, unfortunately, na crack ko itong isang side ng wings niya. Head, ball joint, you can move 360. Shoulders, you could move 180 degrees, 90 degrees. Dito, yung biceps niya, nag-move yan, 360. Yung elbows niya, 90 degrees. Etong side na to, wala, hindi mo move. Hips, ball and socket joint, yeah, mamove mo siya. Forwards, backwards, sideways as well, but meron may certain limiting factor dito. Knees, mamove mo siya 90 degrees, pero dahil sa may extra joint, may extra mobility kang magagawa. Hindi siya ball and socket sa knees, pero dahil pwede mo siya ball and socket yung hips niya, makapose mo siya to your preferred posing. Feet, this one, may extra siyang part dito that will help you stand this unit. Yan. Overall, I really dig this transformer. So front, side, top portion, bottom, and then back.